Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, in this video we are studying practice set 11.2, that is based on subdivided bar diagram. Now here first question of 11.2 is observe the following graph and answer the questions. Now here one graph is shown. Here on x-axis names of women are there, and here savings in rupees. Here shaded portion is shown by savings in April, that is, and blank part is saving in March. On y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 200 is taken. Now let's see first sub question. State the type of the graph. Now this graph is subdivided bar graph or subdivided bar diagram. Therefore type is here subdivided bar graph. Okay, because here this graph is divided here. This column, this rectangle is divided. How much is the saving of Vaishali? Now see Vaishali here. In the month of April. Now April here, April means shaded part. Shaded part is this 600. Now see here. This is shaded part and it is at the height of 600. Therefore this is saving in April. We want April only. Therefore what is how much? Rupees 600. Rupees 600 is the saving of Vaishali in month of April. Question number 3. How much is the total savings of Saroj? Saroj now here. Total saving in the month of March and April. Now Saroj here total both months is 800. Therefore here rupees 800 is the total savings of Saroj in the month of March and April. If you want to write separate month wise, then separately here in bracket you can write here. If you want March rupees, in March how much? March means this shaded blank March, and April this one. April 400, total 800 minus 400. March rupees 400 and April rupees 400. Okay, this is separate month wise, total 800. Now here fourth question is how much more is the total savings of Savita than the total savings of Megha? Means we have to compare of Savita and Megha. Now Savita is here total saving 1000 and of Megha total saving is here 500. Okay, we want how much more is the total saving of Savita, then by 500, because Savita's saving is 1000, Megha's saving is 500, saving of Savita is more than 500. Therefore here we can write total saving of Savita, total savings of Savita is 500 more than Megha. Okay, now last question. Whose savings in the month of April is the least? Whose saving in the month of April? April means here shaded part. Now shaded part list is here. Whose is? Megha's. Therefore Megha's savings in the month of April is the least. Megha's saving is the list in month of April. Okay, in this way we can write answers of the given questions based on the graph. Dear friends, let's see example number 2. The number of boys and girls in standard 5 to standard 8 in ZB school is given in the table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Scale is given on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. Now here standard is given 5, 6, 7, 8 boys, girls. Always for subdivided diagram, we need the total students, because first of all we have to draw a rectangle at the height of total and then we divide by either boys or girls, whatever given, but total we need. Therefore in solution we have to draw the same table again with one additional row that is of total. In solution only. In solution you will draw same table again. Now here addition 40, 51. Here total 40. Here total 35 and here total 45. Okay, now let's draw the graph. Here I draw, or here, no problem. Y-axis. Y-axis it is given 10 students and highest is 51. Therefore here till 60. 60, here 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. Here 0. These are number of students. These are. Now here standard will be there. Here 5th standard, here 6th standard, here 7th standard, and here 8th standard. X-axis. These are standards. Now first of all draw the rectangle at the height of total. Here 51. 5th standard total 51. Now here 51, here is 50, one line, here till 51 this is, okay. Second total 40, height 40 here. You have to use scale, pencil for that and draw on graph paper. 7th standard 35. 30 is here, 35 will be here. Okay, here. And 8th standard 45 till here. These are rectangles with total. Now we have to divide it. Boys 34. Now 30 here, 35 here, 34. Okay, shaded. And blank part automatically you get of girls. 17 will be girls. Here 26. Here 25. 25, one line up above. 26. 21. 20 is here, one line above, one line more than. Here 20 is here. Scale is left. This scale you write down here. And now in this way, subdivided bar diagram is completed. Friends, let's see example number 3. Here 4 towns are given and years 16, 17. First here, as in last example we did total, therefore here also total we want. Total is here 350, total here 550, here total 450, and here total 250. Now here 1 centimeter is equal to, on x-axis, highest total is 550, therefore 550 we want at last. 50 we can take, 50, 100, 150, it will be more. If we take 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, and here these points will for okay, here like this 50. These are number of trees, and here towns will be here: Karzat, Vadgaon, Shivapur, and one more here, Khandala. X-axis. Now draw rectangles at the height of total 350. Karzat, 350 is here. 350. You take exact height here, 350. Vadgaon, 550. 500, 550 is here. 450, 400 here, 450. And last 250, 250 is here. Okay, 250. These are towns. Scale, you write down here scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 trees. Okay, here you can write x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 trees. Now we have to divide it. 216, 217. Now here 16 we will shade, and here we keep it blank. 2017. Okay, 16 we will shade. 16, 150. Then 150 is here. Just shaded. Then here 250. 250 is here. Here we have to shade. Then 200. 200 is here. Means we are shading of year 2016. And Khandala 100. 100 is here. Now this subdivided graph is, bar diagram is completed. Friends, let's see example number 4. In the following table, data of the transport means used by students in standard 8 for communication between home and school is given. Draw a subdivided bar diagram to show the data. On scale y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 5 students we have to take. Now here there are 3 modes of transport or communication: cycle, bus and auto, on foot. Okay, and 3 towns are there, cities. But when we start solution, we want total. Therefore here total we want here. Now addition, here 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carried 3, 0, 1, 3, 4, 5, 5,000 total. Here 3,000, and here 3,250. Correct? 1,000, 2,000, 2,250. 2,250. Now let's draw the graph. Now for subdivided bar diagram, here highest is 5,000. Okay, then till 5,000 we want here, and it is said that take one on y-axis, take 1 centimeter is equal to 500 students. It's 5,000 here, 4,500, difference of 500, 4,000, 3,500, 3,000, 2,500, 2,000, 1,500, 1,000, 500, 0. Number of students, y-axis 100, 1000, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Here 3 cities are shown: Paitan, second is there Evla, and third is there Shahpur. X-axis. Now total height 5,000. First Paitan, total 5,000 total students. Second 3,000 here. And third 2,250. 250 is here. 2,250 here. Here scale, y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 500 students. Here shaded and here blank. Okay, shaded. Now there are 3 total, means one more we have to show, one more and one blank. Then we will shade by cycle. Dotted dots we show by bus or auto, and these are on foot, blank. Now total are drawn. These are rectangles of total height. Cycle 3,250, 3,250 here. Okay, and this is by cycle. Now here 750. Now how to show 750? Then add it, add these two. How much it will be? 3,800. 3,800. See, addition of these two. 3,900. Sorry, 3,900 and this 100 means 4,000. That is 4,000. Okay, at 4,000 you have to mark it at 4,000. 4,000 is here. You mark at 4,000 and show it by dotted. If this part is on bus or auto, and blank will be remaining, means on foot 1,000. In this way, means first you show of given number, second you mark at the addition of 2 and remaining third. Now here Evla, cycle show by line, slant line by on 1,500. 1,500 is here, therefore I mark here on 1,500. Now second mode, addition of these two, add these two, 1,500 plus 500, 2,000. Mark at 2,000. 2,000 is here, then mark at 2,000. It is by, show it by dotted line. This is on bus or auto. Third total is there 1,250. 1,250 is here, show it by lines. Then addition here 1,750. 1,750 is here, mark here 1,750, and remaining automatically we get of 500. In this way 3 modes we can show by subdivided bar diagram.